Hey everybody, John here again at Adventure RV. I'm looking to show you today a 2022 Micro Mini Winnebago. It's a 2306 BHS. Let's get started. Right up front here, you're going to have a power tongue jack. Your two propane tanks will go right there, 30 pounders, and a battery up front. This is equipped with a 190 watt solar panel on the roof, which will keep those batteries charged. And you can see that right in here in your storage compartment. You got a nice little monitor right here that's going to show you where you're at for voltage. There's also a tire minder monitor system this is the mount for it. You can add it if you decide. And there's your nice storage compartment. Let's go take a look at the rest of the camper. You have electric stabilizing jacks. You just push the button there, the jacks go down. Right here you have a spot if you wanted to add a grill. It is for a camping grill. Nice big electric awning on the top with two marine grade outdoor speakers. You have some rugged Goodyear Wrangler tires right there, and they are attached to the torsion axle underneath. Those torsion axles act like an independent suspension on your car. All your precious cargo trailers like horse trailers use them. It is an easier ride on whatever's in the trailer. Makes a lot of sense, right? So right here you have your black tank flush. Whoa, excuse the shadow. Black tank flush. So you can, after you're done camping, you can rinse that black tank out just by hooking a hose to there. And it definitely makes sense to do that. You don't want black tank issues. It's the worst thing on campers. So right back here you have a hot and cold water shower on the outside, and then a 2-inch receiver hitch on the back. You can put a bike rack on there or whatnot. It also comes with a big heavy duty spare tire. The spare has different rims than the tires. These come with the nice aluminum rims. So you have a back door right here to the bunk area, and that bunk flips up so you can have a little extra storage. And you could even add extra solar panels if you want right there. So you can really go nuts with the solar if you decide to do a lot of off-the-grid camping. 3-year structural warranty on Winnebago. They come with a 1-year standard warranty, bumper to bumper. Hitch to bumper, I should say. There's not a front bumper. So right up here you have a Murphy bed that will flip down. So couch during the day, bed at night. Let's see what that looks like. All right, and there's what she looks like down. I moved the comforter so I can put it back up easy enough. And it basically just lifts up, and you have those gas struts to help it. And look at that, it just flops right back into place. And then you put that back into a couch. And we're ready to roll for the rest of our day. So you got a lot of nice storage on each side of this bed / couch. This is really deep. It's got to be at least 30 inches deep in there. And those are hanging closets. Lots of window space. Swing around to this side, and you can see your dinette with storage below. Let's swing around. More windows on this side. You do have, I hope I'm not making you dizzy with all this movement, but you do have a curtain that pulls across, a little bit of privacy if you really needed it. I'm going to swing back over to the kitchen area. Lots of storage. Your tank monitoring area and light switches. This also has a tank heater right here. You flip that on, and it's going to give you a little bit of heat going on the tanks so they don't freeze. It's not good for 20 below zero for a week, but you know, if the temperature is going to dip down below zero and then go back up during the day, then it would be just fine. Huge farm style single stainless steel sink. Flip up extra countertop right here, so you have a little bit of extra countertop. There are some little plastic deals that go in here for sink covers. All that storage below. With the Winnwbago, you have the nice range hood. This is a very nice looking oven versus a lot of the others. Since you don't have an oven, you have a convection oven up in here, so you can do your baking and such right up there. That will do that. You have your gas electric refrigerator right here. Backing up so you can see some more storage. Your heater is right there. Air is above my head and that's ducted throughout. Comes with the TV that you see. There's your radio. Looks like a DVD player built in for those rainy days. Bunk beds right there. My nice sloppy. I could charge my phone right there. That's what that's for, but obviously someone didn't do a good enough dusting job. Going into the bathroom, you have your stool foot flush right there. Nice big storage closets overhead in the bathroom next to this big neon angle shower. It's got the nice magnet that holds it. You have that skylight, so for taller guys you have that little bit of extra headroom. Right over here you have your medicine cabinet sink inside the bathroom. Light switch in a cool spot, and you have 110 electrical. Let's take a nice look at this camper from here. There you go. There's the ducted air conditioning. You even get a vent out here, because if you're cooking you definitely want a little ventilation going on. So that is Winnwbago in a nutshell. All that $36,997. That is Ollie's no bull pricing. If you want to swing in, check out all the options that we have. Everything is in the campers for you to look at. Let me know if this one works for you. Thank you.